Good morning, students. This is class 6 history lesson. Today we are again with the last chapter. We are going to do this chapter continue. The earliest cities. So, today's our topic is a closer look Harappan towns in Gujarat. As we know that most of the Harappan cities are now in the Pakistan, but today some cities that we are going to know about them, that is in Gujarat, that is called Dholvira, yeah, Dholavira, right, was located in the Khadir belt in the Run of Kutch. Most of you know about the Run of Kutch is a tourist place. People are attracted with their culture and going there for the visit, where there was fresh water and fertile soil. Unlike some of other Harappan cities, like we know that most of the earlier cities was established in the near of the rivers or bank of the rivers, right? So in the same way, this city is also established in the near fresh water and fertile soil, which were divided into two parts. Most of the Harappan cities was divided into two parts that we have already know: west high but small place, and east low and a very large place, right? In this way, we can say Dholvira is divided into three parts, and each part was surrounded with the massive stone walls. As you can see in this picture also, these are the stone walls that we get in Dholavira city, right? Now, with entrances through the gateway, means whole city is surrounded with the massive stone walls. There was also a large open area in the settlement, means where people are living, where public ceremonies could be held and they can celebrate their festivals, their functions, their ceremonies, each and everything. So there is an open area that they can decorate by themselves. Other finds include large letters of the Harappan script that were carved out of white stones and perhaps inhaled in wood. Means they know how to decorate walls and how to do designer work in the wood also. This is a unique find, as generally Harappan writing has been found on small objects such as seals. We already see in the before this, in the pictures, they have the decorated clothes, they have decorated seals, right? In the city of Lothal stood beside the tributary of the Sabarmati in Gujarat. Closer of the Gulf of the Khambat, it was situated near areas where raw materials such as semi-precious stones were easily available. Means people living there only, from there they can get the things for the occupation, and surviving is easy for them. So from these places they are getting precious stones, so they can sell and earn the money. This was an important center for the making objects out of stone, shell and metal. From here they get so many precious stones, shells and the metals also, so they can make objects with them and sell after making, right? There was also a storehouse in the city. Many cells and selling were found in the storehouses. Means people keeping the things in the storehouses, and after some time they can sell also. Hope you people understand all this topic. Thank you and have a nice day.